Welcome, uBaba, Twitter elated as Jacob Zuma joins social media. I have decided to move with times, the former president said in the video, posted on Friday under the username PresJGZuma. The Twitter account has already accumulated 18,500 followers. It was started in November, with the video the first post from the account. Shortly after it was posted, uBaba started trending on Twitter as many users reacted to the controversial former president's debut on the social media platform. I hear that many people are talking about me as well as others are calling themselves Zuma in many ways. I felt it is necessary that I should join in and be part of the conversation, he said in the video. He was welcomed by members of the public and opposition parties.